Hi there and welcome. Welcome to the Joy Keepers world. I'm so glad that you're here with us and I look forward to everything that you will be sharing here. So let me show you how you can do that. So here we are on the login page and I will log in as a Joy leader. And when we do, we go to the WordPress dashboard. This may take a little moment. So here we are, and the first thing that you can do is that you can, let me move myself a little bit here, you can edit your profile. So the options you have here are you can change the color scheme if you prefer, you can add some information here. You can decide how you will, how your name will be displayed. So it could be your first name or your username, whatever you choose here. You can change your profile picture. It will use the Gravatar service. So it will be the picture that is associated with the email address that you have associated with your account here. And once you have created all these changes, you will simply click Update Profile, and that will be it. Now, of course, you're here to add some content, so let's do that. So we will, in the Posts section here, you will click Add New, and you will then see the standard WordPress interface here where you can have a post title and then you can start typing or perhaps copy-pasting. If you copy-paste from another rich text editor, you probably want to paste this text, otherwise you risk including some weird characters there. Please disregard this little section that says lead boxes. That is a feature that is not relevant here. Now, speaking of things to disregard, there is a section here also that I ask you to please disregard. It's not relevant for this at all. And there's one thing that I want you to do regard, and that is if you create any external link. So here's how you would link to it. So you would insert a link here. So if it was me, then I would probably link to my personal site here. And the thing that I ask you to do that is really important is that you always let it open in a new tab. So in this way, your visitors will be able to access your resources on your site, but will not have to leave the Joy Keepers world. You can, well, I will include a link that provides, or that explains all the options here, and that will explain it much better than I do probably. But one thing that I wanted to bring to your attention is the categories, because I really wanted to make this really, really simple, and therefore whatever you will be posting here will be posted as a post, but posted as a post. But the difference is what category it is assigned. So if you want it to be shown as an article in the blog, then you will click here. If it's an event description, then you will click here. If it's a presentation of you as a Joy leader or Joy Angel, you will click here. If we are officially partners, then you would click here if it's some partner information. And if it's a resource you provided, so a free resource or a paid resource, doesn't matter, for as long as it is relevant for Joy Keepers, then you will click here. One thing that I ask you to not do, please do not click more than one category, because that will create a confusion and some cluttering that we don't want here. I hope you will not be making any changes here, because we really want these resources to be shared with as many people as possible. If you want to share on Facebook as well, which again I hope you will, then you might want to upload or choose a an image that will be serving as a preview on Facebook, and you can also add some description. If you don't do that, then the system will use the image you already have used with the post, if you have used one, or the standard image for Joykeeper's network. So that's fine too. And speaking of media, you can add media here. So again, here you will click Add New. I'm not going to save this post, so I'm just going to leave this page. And when you add media, you can drag them or select a file. And I ask you to please use this only for the media that you will be actually using with the posts that you are creating here at Joykeeper's World, so we don't use it as storage otherwise. Thank you. You will also have access to the comments that are being submitted here, and the way the system works, it will show all the comments, but you will only be able to moderate the ones that are submitted to your own posts. So there is no danger that you accidentally change or delete something that shouldn't be changed or deleted. So that is really that. So I hope that it is as simple as it is meant to be. If you have any questions along the way, do let me know. That's what I'm here for, to help you share these resources so that the Joykeepers network really will become that place where all kinds of resources are available for members and also non-members. And I just look forward to reading your content and viewing the videos you may share here, or listening to the audios you may share here, and just seeing where all this takes us and how our world expands. So thank you once again for being a Joy Leader. I really, really, really look forward to our journey together.